This is how I made this adorable Valentine's truck. So I got this little truck at Dollar Tree, and it was about $5 at the plus aisle. And I admit it is cute as it is, but I think it could be cuter. So what I want to do is remove these little metal balloon decorations. They're a little bit difficult to remove. I had to take my 10 snips to them. So the truck bed's a little bit deep, and I don't want to waste a lot of fake bake material, which I'll get to. So I'm adding some styrofoam to build up that back. Now I'm using some DAP lightweight spackle, and I'm just filling it in as you would a cake. It does not have to look pretty. This is all going to be smushed down. Next, I'm just taking a styrofoam cupcake dummy, and I am painting that with my favorite color of pink. It's called Rosemarie. It's by Craftsmart. You can find it at Michael's. Next, I took some chunky pink glitter and covered the base with that. Now I'm taking some lightweight spackle and a large star tip, and I'm just adding that to the top as if it's a real cupcake. I got this glittery heart from Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding it to the top. So I'm just poking a hole into the styrofoam, and then I'm going to put a stick in my cupcake in the bottom so that it will hold it down. Then I'm just adding a little clay lollipop and some other clay treats that I've made. I do have other tutorials for those. And I'm just using little scrap pieces of styrofoam to build up the truck bed so that things are staggered in different heights. Now I'm using my sprinkles from my shop, glamcandyboutique.etsy.com. It's called Be My Valentine, and I'm just going to decorate my cupcake with that. And don't forget to decorate the back of your cupcake as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a little character for my truck using white air dry foam clay, and I'm going to make a potato shape for the body. Just smooth it out really well. And now I'm just making a ball shape for the head. And now I'm just adding a toothpick into the body just for some support. Next, I'm making the arms and legs. So you just make 2 small fat worms for the legs and 2 smaller worms for the arms. So I'm just making some ears. Now, when my sister and I were growing up, we were obsessed with koala bears. It was all about koalas, and so that's the kind of thing that I'm going for here. Now, I had just used a heart sprinkle for the nose, but I wasn't too happy with it. I thought it needed to be bigger. So I went ahead and made a larger heart out of clay. I did a line down from the clay, as you can see. Then I sculpted a new nose out of clay, but I still wanted a heart since this is a Valentine's project. Next, I just took some lightweight spackle in the same color as the nose, and I just drew on a little mouth. Now, I like to take every opportunity I can to put fake eyelashes on my characters. So that's what I'm doing here. These are just any fake eyelashes that you can buy from any grocery store, and I'm just using little tacky glue and I'm adhering those. And then just giving them a little trim. Now she needs her glammed up contours, so I'm just taking some pastel chalk and I'm going to add a little bit of color to her cheeks and ears. And then I'm just adding some fake sprinkles to her belly just to break up all of that white. And then I'm going back in with the same pink as the ears and cheeks, and I'm just coloring in her feet and hands a little bit. As a finishing touch, I just want to add some Gorilla Glue and a cute little bow. With a project like this, you really have a chance to use up a lot of your candy cabochons, which I love collecting these and using them on these cute projects. So I have some unicorn pops, gummy bears, fake Valentines, little Valentine heart candies, all kinds of different things that I'm going to use on this project. I wanted her to be holding the little fake Valentine. And then I'm just adding more fake frosting as needed and just playing with the candies in there until I was happy with the design. Now I'm just going in with some lightweight spackling that has been mixed with some Mod Podge. It makes it a little bit more drippy. And I didn't want to forget the car hood, so I'm just adding a little heart applique here. And now I'm just adding some more fake frosting, some fine glitter, and a few little cupcake cabochons. So here's the front and side of the truck. And here's the back. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're going to be making your own sweets truck. You can do so many different themes and seasons. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to follow me for more.